Hello everyone, welcome to this audiovisual class. Today we will discuss English Reader Chapter 2, The Little Girls Are Wiser for class 6th. So dear students, let us try to understand this chapter. First thing is basic introduction. In this story there are two girls named Akulya and Malasha. Akulya is the elder one. She has worn a yellow frock, whereas Malasha is the younger girl and she has worn a blue frock. Actually, they had just come from a church. They met each other on the road near a water puddle. Puddle, we can say a storage of a small river is known as puddle. There are some terminology which will help you in understanding the chapter in a proper way. First is Easter. Easter is a famous festival to remember Jesus Christ and his rejoice. Puddle is small pool of water. Stagnant water gathering after rain. Finery means new dress. Splash means sprinkling of water, drizzling of water. Scrambled means moved very quickly. Lane means narrow road, short road. Grabbed means to catch somebody, to kidnap someone. Howl means to make noise. Knock means to beat or to blow a punch. Lashes means girls. Lassie is an old word used in village for introducing the girls. Next, fighting. This is a scene of fighting. The two girls were very excited. They were showing their new dresses to each other as they came from the festival of Easter. They began to play. Suddenly, the small girl was going to step into the water puddle. Akulya, the elder girl, who seemed to be a responsible girl, who is intelligent girl, responsible girl, she said, "Don't go in water, Malasha, your mother will scold you." Malasha, who is less intelligent, she ignored her words and put her foot down in the water. She not only put her foot in the water, but also she splashed the water very hardly, that Akulya's frock became dirty. And there were stain of mud on the frock of Akulya. Akulya became so angry. Usually she becomes so angry and ran after Malasha to strike her, to give her one slap or to beat her. So something like that situation we can say. Malasha, the little girl, was frightened. She was afraid. So she cried bitterly. Just then Akulya's mother was passing by the road. Akulya, who is a responsible girl, mother said to Malasha, "You naughty, dirty girl, what have you been doing with my daughter?" Akulya's mother caught Malasha and struck her on the back of her neck. Malasha began to howl. I am sure Akulya's mother, she hadn't strike very hard, just to give a little punishment. Malasha, but she started howling loudly. Meanwhile, Malasha's mother came out and said, "Why are you beating my girl?" Both the mothers started fighting with each other. Can you understand? For the kids, those are very forgetful. Should we fight for their words? They sometimes change their opinion. So this is not sign of intelligence, right? Suddenly, Akulya's grandmother came out to pacify them. Akulya's grandmother, she was interested to stop the fighting between them, but nobody was going to listen her. She was knocked off and it's very ashamed by the crowd. Next is peaceful situation. While the adults were fighting, Akulya removed the mud from her frock and gone back to the puddle. She wanted to do something improvement. She made a channel using a stone. She was scratching the soil through which the water could easily run out and there would not be any gathering of water. In order to help Akulya, Malasha, the little girl, also joined her in this benevolent work, in this useful work. By using a wooden stick, she also started digging the soil, so the stagnant water could be easily run out from the puddle, and it can be easily removed. The dirty water can easily be removed from that place. So both girls did a work hard for that. The water ran out at a place where the two ladies were fighting and where the grandmother was standing. Akulya, amused by saying, Akulya cracked a joke and she said, catch it Malasha, the stick was floating. Malasha, she smiled but couldn't speak anything. After that, after watching all these things, the old woman said, your daughters are wiser than you. They have forgotten all enmity, but you ladies are still fighting. You should be ashamed on yourself. For silly things you started fighting. These are not good things, right? Okay. So after that, Akulya and Malasha, they both became good friends. And what are the ethical values in this story? Can you tell me? Thank you. Have a nice day.